Hello, in this lecture we will learn how to create a column family. So new family and choose metric structural column and select this reference line and copy and select and copy. Delete depth and width. Click create extrusion and pick lines. Pick lines, lock and pick this line. Okay, now click trim extend to corner. Okay, and click finish edit mode. So this is the column. If you click finish and save and load into project, the column is fixed. You can't add many types. Click now annotate and dimension, align dimension from this line to this line. From this line to this line, and finally from this line to this line. These dimensions, okay? Click on this dimension and click create parameter and the name, for example, L1 dimension type. Okay, L1. Click L2. Okay, click H1 and click again H2. So L1, L2, H1, H2. Now we click on family types, delete depth and width. So delete parameter and delete. So H1, H2, L1 and L2. Okay, click new type, L column, $940, $500. You can write any name. Okay, so for example this name. Okay, type name, new type again, L column, and okay, and you can change. So click okay. So now the dimension of column 1500, 1200, 500 and 500. Okay, you can create many types. Now open any elevation, click align, and lock. You can extend this line and open 3D, click structural material. Okay, so file, save images, L column family, save. Okay, and now click File, New, Structural Template. Structure column, low L column family, open. So L column family with 2 types, and you can duplicate to create many types. So level 1 to level 2 with base offset 0. Realistic, can click and choose the material. Concrete,